All right, we have a constant velocity buggy moving backwards at a speed of 15 centimeters per second, and we need to write down its equation of motion. Be really careful here. Okay, I'm just going to show you the wrong way. Okay, I will take off points for this. I need you to start using physics letters. So when you write down y equals negative 15x plus 40, I will not accept that answer and you will be marked off points. I need you to start using the physics letters of x for the position equals negative, okay? This is backwards motion, so we need a negative sign. A negative sign is needed, so negative 15 times the time plus 40 centimeters. And again, this is based on the equation that we did before. X equals V naught T plus X naught, where this is the initial position. So this is V naught here. The negative sign means it's going backwards. And it says it starts at 40 centimeters. That lets you know that that's the y-intercept on the graph, which is the initial position in real life. Now, when I ask you where will the buggy be at the end of 6 seconds, we're going to go ahead and plug in the numbers. So x equals negative 15 times 6 plus 40. So we actually end up 50 centimeters behind the beginning ruler mark. So if I were to draw this, what we'd basically say is if this is the 40 centimeter mark right here, the buggy ends up somewhere here behind the ruler, okay? So this distance here would be 40 centimeters, and this distance here would be 50 behind the ruler. You don't need to draw this on your test. I'm just drawing it here to illustrate the point. So that's your answer, and this is your answer. And I'm just going to make a note here that I need you to use physics variables. Okay, we're not in math class. Now it says plot the position of the buggy versus the time. So we're going to go ahead and do that now and show that our answer to B is correct. So here's how this is going to work. I'm going to actually start here at the 40 centimeter mark. I'll go 30, 20, 10, 0, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, negative 50, negative 60, negative 70, negative 80 centimeters here. And I'm going to go ahead and actually fill in our times. So here we're going to have 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and 6 seconds right here. So at 0 seconds, I'm right here. And at 1 second, I've traveled 15, so I'll be right here. At 2 seconds, I've traveled 30, so I'll wind up at the 10 centimeter mark. At 3 seconds, I will have gone another 15, so I'll wind up at negative 5. And then at 4 seconds, I'll be at negative 20. At 5 seconds, I'll be at negative 35. And at 6 seconds, I'll be at negative 50 centimeters. So I can actually go ahead and connect those dots right there. I would use a ruler for this in the test, and I'll pass those out. And that's basically how we're going to plot the position of the buggy to show that our answer is correct. So if you look here, at 6 seconds, I really am at negative 50, just like part B says. All right, so that's problem number 2.